Wow, that's it, last cast. Oh, it's come off. Afternoon troops, another day, another river, not a drain. I was planning on the session today was, well everything went wrong. I had to go into Cambridge to go to work for a start today, and on the way home, wouldn't you know it, the train's got delayed. A lorry at a level crossing barrier, so I was stuck on a train for ages. So I didn't get back to my car until 3 o'clock, and the plan was I'd have been up in Lincolnshire on my so-called tench stretch, having another session on there for tench. But so I didn't get back to my car till 3. I wouldn't have got up to where I was fishing till 4:30. Wouldn't have given me long fishing, so car was here in down the market, so I thought sod it. I fished one of the club waters. I got a King's Lynn Angling Association ticket, so I thought, well, I'll fish that. And so I'm on the old Bedford River. I've never fished this before, believe it or not, for anything other than pike. I mean I'm 50, I'm mid-50s now, and I first come up here when I was 6, 7, something like that, and I've always piked it. So it's a big learning curve for me today. Then I was seeing here, don't know what the tactics are, you know. So I'm just going to enjoy the afternoon. Really, I'm going to, you know, going to float fish. It's nice and narrow. It's only 3 foot deep where I am, so I'm going to float fish for a while, see what it's like, see what it produces, and hopefully we get a few fish for the camera. Yes, that's a King's Lynn Angling Association water, day ticket on the bank or season permit, and I'll run through a swim with you now. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to crack it. Because my gear was in the car, I couldn't very well leave maggots and all that sort of stuff in my car, so I'm only fishing with corn. So hopefully some roach around, maybe. Don't know what a roach and run are like in here. Don't even know what a tench and bream stamp is in here, but I'm going to give it a good go. Let's see if we can catch some fish. I'll show you this swim. Let's get cracking. Well, here's the swim. Bit blowy, as you would expect out here. Down there's a stretch, part of the stretch I've fished in the winter, which I had depths of 10 to 12 foot. "200 metres downstream, and I have 3 foot. So it's very narrow, very shallow, but it's got a lovely tint to it. So it's not clear, so I can't spook any fish visibility wise. I'm halfway across. There I am, halfway across, 3 foot of water. £4 double strength line, size 14 barbler, single grain of corn, peacock waggler type float with just one SSG on it on the bottom, Oh, and we've got a bite. You see that? We've had a tap already. Lovely job. Let's fill it. Hopefully for a change on these videos we'll fill our boots. But let me concentrate on this, see if I can catch something. Afternoon, troops. We're off to the start. Not the greatest start in the world, not but decent fish all the time. Well, decent fish. I like rudd. Only a couple of ounces. We're off the mark. Lovely little colours on them. Let's see if there's got any big brothers and sisters around. Afternoon, troops. Oh, well, we're 3 hours into the session. It's 7 o'clock. I've had about 20-30 rudd. Biggest one was the first one, the one I showed you. All the others have been a little bit smaller than that. Hardly exciting stuff, hardly worth showing you, really. So yeah, I've been poodling along. A normal setup. Float. 2.5 foot, 3 foot max. Telltale shot, large telltale shot, over depth, this method. Single grain of corn, 14 hook. Nothing if not predictable. You know, if I could scale down and catch even more, but I'm happy catching rudd. But I was hoping there would be some bream around, but at the moment, no dice. So it's rudd after rudd. They're only small. If I catch anything decent or worth showing you, I will. But how many 3-inch roach and rudd do you want to see? Well, they've all been rudd, no roach. There's a slip of the tongue there. They've all been rudd. But yeah, how many 2 to 3-inch rudd do you want to see? So it's one after the other. It's a lovely venue. Water's got a nice colour to it. It's about, I'd say it's about 3 foot lower than it normally is. You can see on the far bank where the water's been, the normal water level, and then you can see a big drop to where it is now. You can see it obviously because of the discoloration. So yeah, it's a bit chilly. Well, I ain't been out to say that this summer yet, have we? But it's 7 o'clock, so I'm going to fish up to about 9, I suppose. I might fish till it gets dark, but I don't know. Let's see how we get on. last cast. That's it, last cast. Oh, he's come off. Oh, it's come off again. I think that was fair worked. Oh. Well troops, that's the end of another river session. Not the best in the world, but not the worst either. A lot of encouragement there. I had 30-40 rudd, all about the size I showed you. Nothing worth filming really. It weren't nothing decent come out, but the last half hour, 40 minutes, I went on a drop just to see what was around and didn't catch anything. And I got bumped by quite a few fish and they felt good. So I reckon there was some decent rudd around there. One came off right at the end, but that came in sideways slightly, so I think I might have foul hooked that, but it came off anyway. As I say, it wasn't the best short little session after work I've had, but it weren't the worst either. You know what I mean? I had plenty of fish, plenty of encouragement, enough to make me think I could do a good day session on here and fill my boots, hopefully with something decent. And you know, the conditions above are perfect. I was overcast most of the day, a bit of sunshine, and you know, but nothing drastic. The water's got a lovely tinge to it. It's just about 3 foot down on what it normally is. 3 foot down's a lot, but you know, so I was fishing in 3 foot of water, and you know, I had plenty of rudd, so I felt a few good rudd, bumped me off on the drop, so plenty of encouragement. Look at that. Got to trek back to the car now with all that just for a couple of hours after work. Got to be mad. But yeah, I like this venue. I mean, I liked it when I biked it, but I reckon it might not hold anything, but it's got a feel about it that it holds decent fish. So I'll be back and give this another go. Thanks for watching, troops. Short and sweet, nothing huge, but no blank this time. But I weren't targeting anything, you know. I mean, if I was targeting tench or something, I would say it was a blank. But it was just a quick sort of like scouting mission after work. I was down this neck of the woods anyway. Why not give it a go, see what it's like? And you know, I enjoyed it. You know, I think there's fish to be had, decent fish to be had. So thanks for watching. I'll give you one last panorama of the view, and then I'll be off. Been up since 5:30, work all day, fishing. I won't get home till about 10:30 now. So thanks for watching, troops. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want. Don't have to if you don't want to, but it helps the channel. And I'll see you next time. Thanks very much. And that's the stretch. It goes for 3 miles down that way, or 2.5. I've just walked half a mile up to here. It's a bit deeper down that end, not much deeper, but a bit deeper. I say, look, you can see the discoloration of the reeds where the water's dropped. You can see that far bank, you can see how much the water's dropped. So, you know, bit of rain, decent level of water in here, and I think it will be brilliant. Thanks for watching, troops. See you next time. Look at that, long march home. Woohoo!